Hello, welcome to Soundop tutorials. In this video, we will focus on operations to set panning mode in a mix space. In Soundop, you can control the effect of panning precisely with panning mode. To set the global preference of panning mode, change it on the mix space preference page. You can set different panning modes for panning in clips, audio tracks, bus tracks, and the master track. To override the setting in a mix space, you can set the preference in the Properties panel. And you can also set a track's panning mode in the Track Properties panel. And set a clip's panning mode in the Clip Properties panel. Well, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.